This intake showed up to us with damage to the IMRCs, so we're going to go ahead and remove these and install our IMRC lockouts. To install your Auto Mafia Racing IMRC lockouts, you're going to need a T15 Torx bit, snap ring pliers, or a pick, or if you're really patient, you can use a flathead screwdriver, and I also recommend getting a 1/2 inch vacuum cap. Okay, now that the IMRCs are off, now you can clearly see where the two C-clips were and where all of the original bolts were for this and the sensor, and of course the 1/2 inch vacuum line right here at the back. Once you have them in the proper orientation, you'll reuse your Torx screws on the two screw holes on either side of the IMRC lockouts, and then we'll go ahead and cap our vacuum line right here, and we'll install it on the car.